All right. Before we start the stuff, it's raining heavily outside. It's quite unprecedented rain. The part I belong to, where I live, rain in monsoon is quite. It's not quite normal. Anyway, it was raining for last 2 days, and I heard that there might be some cyclone in some other part of the country which is getting affected and all this stuff, because frankly speaking I don't follow news and all this stuff. Anyway, in this video I'll show you a software which I have been using it for quite some years now. Not so frequently, but it is in my radar, and time to time I hopped onto it. This piece of software is called TIG. Git is a version control system, and it is spelled reverse way. TIG, T-I-G. Okay, it is basically a textual interface of any Git repo, and it is nicely laid out, and this project is around for quite some time. Okay, so without further ado, let me invoke it. Okay, I have bounded a key to invoke in a specific workspace. I'm invoking in on Linux kernel source. So, and the Linux kernel source is big, so it is taking time to bring up that interface. By the time it is bringing up all the interface, as I said, it is taking time. And this is the place in GitHub, Jonas TIG. Okay, text mode interface for Git. Okay, so it is clearly written TIG is an ncurses based text mode interface for Git. Okay, so all the functionality of Git will be available under this interface. Okay, and I'll show you how. If you are curious enough, get into this GitHub page and try to visit these URLs what have been mentioned here. Okay, so I'll try to give you a glimpse of how you could navigate through it. Okay, so hopefully this will come up now. Yes, so this is the interface. You can see it's colorful. I haven't changed anything. I'm running a default version of it, although you could change it lips and bound according to your taste. There is a tgrc file. It should be inside your home directory probably. You can tweak it and change those colors, format and all this stuff, blah blah blah. Okay, but I kept it as it is because I felt the default version is good enough for me. Okay, so I never bothered to change it. So you can use your arrow keys to go through. Say for instance, if you want to see a particular commit, so if you you highlight the commit and press enter, see it brings up the commit in another pen. Okay, this pen also configurable through that RC file, but I haven't bothered to. So this is nice, right? Now the beauty of this, if you go to the next, see the right hand pen commit get correspondence to where your cursor is pointing, where you are highlighting. See, it is getting changed. Nice, right? Okay, so if you want to dismiss this right hand window pane, just press Q, it will go away. Okay, so there are plethora of options, okay, that come bundled with this software. And if in any moment of time, if you wanted to know more, just press H. You are in a help window of that particular you can see the command and their corresponding keys enlisted on this page. Okay, and you can do all of the git stuff whatever you want. If you want to go back to the main interface, you just press M and it brings back to the main interface. Okay, so if I want to select something, if I want to see the log, I just press L. See, it will show me the log of that particular commit, right? And if I press again M, it will go back to there. Now this is the abbreviated form of the ref log. I press Shift L, that means capital L, to bring up this particular view. Okay, if I again wanted to go back, I just press M, it will go back to the main interface. I highly recommend you to go to the stuff, if I press tree, it will bring up this tree, the repository, and if I go any of the file, okay, whatever you like, and if I press B, see on the left hand pane, it is telling me it is basically git blame showing in this fashion with this interface. Okay, I selected a particular file and I press B, so it is showing git blame in this particular fashion. And again, if you want to go back, just press M, it will go back to them. So if we press H, you go to the help window where all the commands are enlisted, so you can try it out. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all the option. I left it for you to explore. I'm just giving you a hint. This is a piece of software. It is not a recommendation. I like it, I use it. You might like it, you might not like it. It's absolutely up to you. I thought if someone is not aware, or if not so comfortable with command line or something like that, they might give it a shot on this. Okay, this is very intuitive and very fantastic stuff. Okay, I hope this will help. Thanks for watching.